Ang nararamdaman ko sa kasalukuyan ngayon, ako'y masayang masaya dahil sa apo kong nakaarawan niya ngayon ng 7 taon.
The words hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me. Fill my heart with song.
Very excited and happy syempre para sa anak ko.
You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words,
Si Athena is tahimik, mahinhin, tsaka ano siya, very competitive talaga, lalo sa school. Gusto niya lahat na achieve niya ng okay, na nakakasali siya sa top, sa mga awards. Very competitive.
Naging ugali ni Athena sa bahay, siya medyo may pagkasuplada. May pagkasuplada siya, tapos pero mabait siya. Pag halimbawa mayroon siyang bisita na gusto niyong kalaro, gusto niya naglalaro silang dalawa. Saka napakabait na bata. Kaya lang talaga, may time siya lang masungit, suplada talaga. Pero okay naman, pero mabait. Mabait yung bata.
happy birthday, Cindy!
Okay naman, excited. 2 days na akong hindi nakatulog. Kasi talagang hindi alam nung family ko, then yung asawa ko, na hindi nila alam na hindi talaga ako uuwi. So, surprise ko talaga sila. Nung April 30 pa ako nakabook, pero hindi ko sila sinasabi. Yun. Secret talaga.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome on her 7th birthday, Athena Doreen Marinas!
See the light of the sky to see it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know.
Hello anak, ang wish ko lang sa'yo is, syempre, unang-una, yung kalusugan mo, kaligtasan mo, and syempre, yung happiness mo. I love you, mahal na mahal ka namin ni Daddy. Happy birthday, anak!
I know everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I can roll with mine.
ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin, fresh from Australia, Daddy Tantan!
Blinding, but no one knows how deep it goes. And it seems like it's calling out to me, so come find me and let me know.
Hello, Athena. Alam mo naman na mahal ka ni Daddy. Kung ano man yung mga gusto mong gawin sa iyong buhay, nandito lang ako hanggang sumuporta, hanggang sa makamit natin yung, alam mo naman, yung mga may pangarap si Daddy para sa'yo, na nandito lang si Daddy.
With pride, I can make us strong. I'll be satisfied if I play along. But the voice inside sings a different song. What is wrong with me? See the light as it shines on the sea. It's blinding, but no one knows how deep it